In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pre-order in Shopify. Pre-orders let customers commit to buying items before they're in stock, which helps you measure demand, plan inventory, and maintain momentum for upcoming launches. We'll walk through installing a pre-order app and starting your first offer, keeping everything simple, clear, and focused on what you actually need to do. First, open your Shopify store's admin dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage multiple accounts. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. This is where you manage your current tools and add new ones from the Shopify App Store. If you haven't used this area before, take a quick moment to get comfortable with it. This is where most add-ons are installed and updated. In the Apps section, use the search to enter STOQ. You're looking for the STOQ pre-order option. When you see the listing for pre-order, click it to open the app's page. Here, you can review what the app does and check that it meets your needs. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify may prompt you to confirm permissions so the app can work with your products and storefront. Review these details, then proceed to complete the installation. Once installed, you'll land in the app's dashboard. Take a moment to explore the layout so you know where key settings live. When you're ready to begin, click Pre-orders inside the app. This is the central place where your pre-order campaigns will be created and managed. From here, click Add New Offer to start setting up your first pre-order. Think of an offer as the set of rules and messaging that control how a specific product's pre-order will work. As you create the offer, consider which product or variants you want to make available, how you'll communicate availability dates, and whether you plan to collect full payment or simply accept orders to be charged later. Clear messaging is essential. Customers should know the estimated fulfillment window and any limitations up front. Before you finish, double-check that your offer aligns with your store policies, including shipping timelines and refund terms. Consistent language reduces confusion and builds trust. If the app provides preview tools, use them to make sure the storefront messaging looks the way you expect. Also, keep an eye on inventory behavior. Decide whether you'll cap the number of pre-orders or leave it open based on your supply plan. That's it. You've opened your Shopify store, gone to Apps, entered STOQ, clicked Pre-order, installed the app, explored it, clicked Pre-orders, and added a new offer. With your first pre-order in place, you can start collecting demand and keep customers excited for what's coming next.